Hello miners, and welcome once again to today's video tutorial. And in today's video tutorial, the long awaited update of Bitclub network has finally come on board. As you can see, what I'm looking at presently now is the new website, the new web look of the Bitclub network. This is how the new look is. It has been updated and it has been advanced. And if we go through this tab one after the other, you see that a lot of features has been added. The videos which we used to have on the old Bitclub network site has been updated to match with what we presently do in the Bitclub network. And here, once you click on, here is how it will take us to the next page, and you see how it works, how the Bitclub network works. It has been explained here for everyone who comes to the site to quickly grasp what this business is all about. And if you are to click on the next tab on get started, this is where you'll be taken to, telling you what you need to do, setting up your account and the rest, fill in your names, your phone number, your username and password, and then click on the button that says take me to the next step. So the new look of the website is pretty good, and if we log into our account, once you log into your account, you'll be presented with this Bitclub network membership agreement. You have to agree to these terms and conditions of the Bitclub network, and the agreement says membership with Bitclub network international and gaining access to its opportunities and benefits is conditioned upon 1. Satisfying eligibility requirements include age and residence, and secondly, acknowledging that the prospective member agrees to the terms of the Bitclub network agreements as set forth below, and finally, payment of a membership fee. That has not changed. To enroll in this business, you still have to pay your membership fee of $99, and then you go ahead to buy a mining pool. And there are a few restrictions here. Those from the United States of America and those from the Philippines are not allowed to be part of this Bitclub network mining. So they have their reasons. All you have to do, once you log into your back office, once you go through these agreements and you are satisfied with it, you just click I agree to the policies, I agree to the pool mining agreement as well, and then click on agree. And that is it. Thank you for agreeing to our new terms and conditions and our privacy policy. You may now access your account. So you now have access to all these new tabs, the new looks of the Bitclub network website. You can navigate through, and what I want us to do now, as you can see on the news, we'll go to the news page and take out some of the things that has been added of recent. And here is the news update. So I will advise you carefully log into your back office and then go take this step one after the other. The new website upgraded back office. Now here it says that, as you can see, we just made a big upgrade to our website and members back office today. This update was long overdue and is only the first of many updates that will be going live over the next few weeks. We completely rebuild the platform to work better with today's standard in both usability and security. This will also help us keep the website up to date in multiple languages as we move forward. The next phase of upgrade will include new content and members dashboard and a members dashboard that will help you manage your Bitclub business a lot more effectively. This will include new reports, upgraded binary view, upgraded unilevel enrollment tree, and real-time tracking and ranking info. That means the process of the upgrade is still ongoing despite the new look of the website. Then finally, we will start rolling out a suite of new marketing tools in all languages to help you promote Bitclub and be successful. We invite you to click around and get familiar with the new look and feel of Bitclub network as we move into the next phase of growth. Alright, so that is it. You are going to log into your back office and go through this news one after the other, but one thing I want to comment here before I leave this page is the Bitcoin mining update. Now, the past few months have been very challenging for us to deploy new mining hardware. We mentioned some of our pain points in previous update, but now we finally have some good news. We are excited to announce 400 petahash that just went live on our pool, and by the end of this week we should be seeing around 1000 petahash in total. Our team is working very hard to catch up and expect to see around 2000 petahash in total by the end of August. So in order to prove that that is in progress, once we go to the Bitclub mining pool here, the mining starts here, you can see already that the petahash is going, and presently now we have around 900, around 900 petahash that is live. And by the end of the week, hopefully by the end of this week, it will clock the 1000 petahash we have been expecting. So this is a good improvement. And the last thing I have to take note here before we leave, the last but not the least, is the news on the outlook on mining. Now right now the mining industry is crazy because the difficulties is rising a lot faster than the price, and when BTC is low, it means the profit in mining per block are not very good. When the price is low, the difficulty should drop. However, it has increased every 10 days since the start of the year. Now presently, what the Bitclub, the difficulties are is 5.3 trillion, 5.3 trillion compared to what it was in 2017. In 2017, we only had 708 billion in difficulties. So with this, we can know that we are improving, and definitely this is the business that everyone wants to be into. And thumbs up to all of you who have signed up and upgraded your account. And if you have not, I will encourage you to join because this is the life changing game. So see you next when in my next video. So just give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you get notifications from all the videos update that I will be editing. So thank you and see you next.